Imagine a land of breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cities where the maple leaf is a proud symbol. Welcome to Canada. Fact 1. Canada boasts 20% of the world's freshwater thanks to its 2 million lakes. Fact 2. It's the second largest country globally but only hosts about 36 million people. Moving to fact 3. The name Canada originates from the Iroquoian word Kanata, meaning village. Fact 4. Canada is home to the world's longest coastline, stretching over 200,000 kilometers. Lastly, fact 5. It's the world's leading producer of maple syrup. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.